Workshop Addict will show you where to find the OBD port and VIN number locations on an Opel Signum 2007. First, let's start with the OBD port. It's located next to the gear shifter. Open the ashtray cover, remove the small tray inside, and underneath you'll see the 16-pin OBD connector used for diagnostics. Now let's check the VIN number. There are two VIN locations. The first one is on the passenger side. Open the door and you'll see a metal plate with the VIN on the inner strut panel. The second VIN marking is under the passenger floor carpet. Lift the small cover and you'll find it there. That's it, quick and easy. Thanks for watching, and check out Workshop Addict for more quick car location guides.